Hi, in front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access sound and vibration. Now scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to vibrate vocals. This way you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to vibrate in silent mode to disable or enable vibrations while your device is muted. Lastly, tap on vibrate on top and select the best option for touch vibrations by tapping on one of those options like medium. You can also disable them completely by tapping on off at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!